In this tutorial, we're going to be learning the range function. It's used to generate a sequence of numbers. The way we write it is range, then brackets, and inside of the brackets we have to pass a value, so I'm going to say 3. Then we have to make a range object, so I'm going to say n. A range object is basically something that can hold a list. My range object would be n, and n holds the numbers 0 to 3, which means that you have to exclude the number 3. But if I were to print range object, then it would say range 0 to 3. This is because it's just the default way of representing range objects in Python. But if you wanted to make a list of numbers that spread across like multiple lines, then you would have to use a for loop, which we learned about in the last video. So we would write for numbers in n, and then use a colon. Then over here, make sure print is just underneath numbers. Then you write numbers. So when we run it, it shows the numbers 0 to 1. Now, if we wanted to, next to 3, we can write another number. So I'm going to say 10. This number basically just makes them, instead of it counting from 0 to 2, it counts from 3 to 9. So if we would run that, 3 to 9. Now if we write a second comma, and then I'm just going to write another 3. This one, it counts how many steps it goes in. So if I run it, it says 3, 6, and 9. So the starting number is 3, and it counts up till 10. And this one counts the number of steps it goes in. So it starts at 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. But 9 plus 3 is 12. And that's after the number 10, so it won't include that.